Hello everyone, we are solving class 10th real number NCERT solution. The first topic, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, 1 marks question. Question number 6. 5 questions are already posted, you can check it. The question is that write the number of zeros in the end of a number whose prime factorization is 2 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3, 3 square into 17. This question has been asked in the 2019. Now, first of all, one thing, 2 into 5 will give the 10, yes, and it is the 1 0 at the end. So, 1 0 means one pair of the 2 and 5 will give us the 1 0 at the end, yes. So, we have to make the two pairs so that we can get the zeros. We have the question here that write the number of the zeros at the end. हमें यहाँ पे आंसर पूछा गया नहीं है. सो जितना पूछा गया उतना ही आंसर देना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द एग्जामिनेशन, क्योंकि मैथ्स में हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि आपको टाइम ही नहीं मिलेगा. यस, तो जितना आंसर पूछा है 1 मार्क के लिए क्वेश्चन है, तो आपको नंबर ऑफ जीरोस लिखने हैं, दैट्स इट. सो 2 into 5 gives us the 10. तो हमें 2 और 5 की हमें पेयर्स बनानी है. यहाँ पे 2 का पावर 2 है, 5 का पावर 3 है. लीस्ट पावर कितना है आपका? 2 है. यस, सो हियर इट कैन बी राइट एज 2 into 5. 2 into 5, तो यहाँ पे एक पावर यूज किया, तो यहाँ पे 2 का 2 पावर हो गया. अभी 5/3 है, इसलिए हमने और एक 5 ले लिया. यस, हमें यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ जीरोस ही निकालने हैं. सो नो यूज ऑफ 3 and 3 square and the 17. ओके, चलो. सो दिस विल बी व्हाट 3 square into 17. सो 2 5 are 10, 1 0. Again 2 5 are 10, second 0. So basically here we got the answer. So there are what? Hence the number of the zeros in the end is what? 2. That's it. 1 मार्क के लिए इतना क्वेश्चन इतना ही लिखना is expected. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने कैलकुलेशन करके बता दिया है. 5 into 3 square is 19, 9 into 17. So 5 into 9 into 17 will give us 765 and multiply by 100, so it will be what? 76,500. And how many zeros are there? 1 and 2. So though it is a word problem, you should write final answer in the word. Hence, the number of zeros in the end is what? Is equals to 2. Got it everyone? Yes? So, be prepared and do the smart work in the exam. If you like the videos, keep watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and share with your friends. Thank you.